Okay guys, games tayo ha. Isa lang to, isa lang. Bago tayo matulog, no? Basta ba? Okay, contestant number 1, pakilala ka.
Arken.
May code name pa. Okay, contestant number 2. Cassandra. Contestant number 3. Effie?
Effie Grace.
Oo, sasabi mo pa yung pangalan. Contestant number 4.
Okay.
Team. Okay, siya si Team. Okay, pampagulo pa eh. Sige na. Oh.
Okay, go. Who first? No, team. Effie, good luck. Good luck, Effie. Cassie. This game is really hard. Anong pinapalit mo? Sorry. Oh, good job. You got one. Okay, one more try. No, Cassie pa ulit kasi naka-ano siya. Uy, grabe, Cassie! Oh my gosh! This one. Hala, inubos na! May next round pa, bawi kayo. May nakasali si Cassie doon. Wala na, finish na. Uwian na. Naubos na ni Cassie.
Hindi pa nakatayin si Kuya.
Yay! Congratulations! How much?
600.
Wow!
Napalit mo na.
Okay, wala. Wala po, kuya. Next na si Ate Cassie?
Napalit mo na. Just let me to my way.
No, we're not gonna call you po ahead.
Tama.
No. Sorry, Cassie. Next one, Effie? Okay, ganyan ko para makita natin lahat. Sorry, Effie. Wala po. Okay, team? No, teams. I'm so sorry, anak. Back to kuya. Sorry, kuya. Wala din po. Ate Cassie? Wala din po, Ate Cassie. Floof. Oh, sorry, Effie. It's your turn. Come on, baby. No, Effie. Come on, team. Your turn. Maybe it's your turn to shine, baby. Nope. I'm sorry. Kuya's turn. Nope, kuya. I'm so sorry. Next one is Ate Cassie. Wala pa nanalo. Nope, sorry ate. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me just fix it para hindi tayo malito, ha? Okay, there you go. It's Effie's turn. And we don't... Oh yeah, we have a winner. There's one. Here, take this one, Effie. Okay, I'm gonna put this down, ha? Okay, hold on. Wait, mommy's fixing it? Mumu.
There you go.
Okay, 5 more. Wait, ate, if you want, so she goes again. Sorry, Popo. Next turn. Team. It's Team's turn.
Oh my God, Dave.
Alright, team, you got one. Good job, team. You get this one. Okay, there's 4 more. You go again, team. Okay, you go again, Cass. There's 3 more. Yeah, you got another one, Cass. No, it's this one. Okay, hold on. Endgame. Si kuya nga, wala nakuha, ayo. Kaya walang ko to. Siyempre, may nanalo ka naman, ha?
Allowance na for this week eh, diba? Don't worry, guys.
Ganito, next week mas mataas yung prices natin. Pero pag hindi ka nanalo, wala kayong baon. Ganun lang yun. Mas malaki, di ba? O, sabihin natin, pondo natin 2.5. O.
Uy, grabe sa 2.5 ha?
Pero yung hindi mananalo, di walang baon. Sorry.
Grabe.
Eh.
Congratulations, guys!
Sino may pinakamalaking nakuha? Si Cassie? Congratulations, Cass. 300?
Plus 100 earlier.
See?
No.
Oh, yung sour puss baby.
It's okay.
Malulukot ka pa, may hawak ka na. Si kuya nga, tingnan mo.
Cancellation for Kuya DJ.